Hi guys. Even my diversity of what's going on in my life right now, I made up a makeshift area to juice carrots and celery, and I cannot find anything decent on the boob tube. So I was looking for like a documentary or I don't know, anything better than old country.
I am a badass. I did not want to get shot.
So, kind of disappointed in my background choices.
Our goal. For Sanchez?
I think it'll be great for the potential.
As the Iron Lady.
Boring. I just changed my recycle batteries. Boy, they don't last as long as other batteries, do they? You see the mess that I'm working in. Look at that. That's a newest hole. God, I'm just so disappointed in pay all this money for cable. It just sucks. Sucks. Okay, so my background music will be nothing. Okay, guys. Cleaned everything out. Quite a bag here. Might just be a little too small. A lot of other bags. Probably should do is a huge trash bag. There's a lot of carrots to do. Quite a lot of celery. Alright guys, wish me luck. I'll get back to you. I'll show you the finished product. Ugh. Look. All the way over there. Oh gosh. Don't try this at home. It can be messy. Oh man. In between, guys, go ahead and turn it off so the juice will clear out. Because sometimes you'll hold all this up. Let me show you. It'll be. You think it's down here? It's all the way up here. When you flip it down or flip it to low, it starts sucking out. There we go. I know I have some dried up celery. Try to get something out of it. Oh boy. I gotta retape. Bye guys. I guess I'm just lucky I'm not homeless right now unless my daughter keep out. Where's Elizabeth? Woodwork from Holland. See the face? See the face? See the face? There's Sarah. Artwork. See yourself? See yourself? More artwork. See the face? See the face? I mean, think about it. I might be having to use a makeshift kitchen and an older sink. But what's going to come out of it? Something bigger and better. And we're going to have more space to walk around in. Oh, so much more space. Higher ceilings. And we're all doing it together as a family. So that's so cool. Nasty, huh? Okay, bye. I just added 2 lemons. I did my batch of celery. And I got a bag to use. Yay. And I'm probably going to make a lemon celery breakfast drink for myself. And, that looks delicious. Woo, I'm splattering. I just cleaned off the table before I started. That's a lot, so I was thrilled to get that much. Me and all my glory. Whoa, the lemon was tart. The celery's good and clean. Feel good. I'm going to get some carrots into me now. There's a carrot. And I had to use a bag, and then I went in the fridge and got some out of the drawers. we are good for carrots. So there's my celery, there's my carrots, and there's also lime. I'm sorry, lemon. Lemon.